Hello there, my friends, and welcome to day number 26 of this 30-day content marketing strategy, where I take you by the hand and walk you step by step by giving you 30 days worth of content ideas that you can use to help you generate leads for your business. Now, if you're new to this challenge, I have your back. Click the link in the description. There's a playlist there of the 30 videos. Just go through the playlist video by video, but make sure you take action after every video. Clone the video, make it your own, and use it to promote any project or opportunity that you have, right? However, if you would like to get live interactive coaching and mentorship from 6 and 7 figure earners, stick around to the very end of this video because I have an exciting gift for you, okay? So if you are new to my channel, my name is the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com. I'm a single mother of 2 children and based here in Dublin, Ireland, and currently studying for my degree in business marketing. I help mothers just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so they can finally fire that boss and spend more quality time with their children. Back in October 2019, I was overworked and I was underpaid. I was sick and tired of being broke all the time and living from paycheck to paycheck. It felt like the money literally just came through me. It came through the account and it went right out. Different bills, different activities, groceries and everything. I never had anything left at the end for myself, right? Up in this time, I was actually dabbling online. You name it, I've done it, from affiliate marketing, network marketing, crypto, trading, drop shipping. I've been there, done that. And I always felt like I had this addiction, right? I had this expensive habit that was costing me money, right? I was spending more than I was earning. And then finally I hit rock bottom and I looked around, I said, people are making money online, and those people don't have 3 eyes and 2 heads, right? They have 1 head just like me, 2 eyes just like me. They are making money, right? They're doing it, so can I. So I looked at them and thought, if they are earning money using the same products, the same services I'm promoting, right? It means that there's something I don't know, right? They know something I don't know, because if I knew it, I wouldn't be where I am right now, okay? So I made the decision to invest the time in learning the skills to build a successful business online, okay? And back in August of this year, I came across a 6-figure blueprint, right? A proven step-by-step blueprint, which a grandmother of 6 children and 5 grandchildren, she went from earning 0 pennies, 0 experience, 0 following, 0 lists, 0 technical skills, to earning over $1 million in 17 months. So she put together, she went on a mission to help 100 people earn 6 figures, right? How was she going to do that? She put together a proven step-by-step blueprint. She looks back at what she did to get where she got, and then she put it all together. And so far, she's helped 42 people around the world earn 6 figures. 12 South Africans earn millions in South Africa and become millionaires in South Africa. She's helped 1 in the US and become a millionaire. And she's actually changed, upped her game, and she wants to help 1,000 members of our community earn 6 figures, right? Right now we have 39,000 paid members in our community. So now I'm learning the skills that I need to build a successful business online, learn to market, right? And I'm so excited because even though I paid one time, it was a one-time payment, I get live coaching, interactive coaching and mentorship sessions every single week from 6 and 7 figure earners, right? So this is where this 30-day content strategy is coming from. It's coming from what I'm learning from this blueprint, right? So today what I want you to do is I want you to go to this website here called Answer the Public, and then you can actually choose, there's different platforms. You can choose Google, Bing, YouTube, TikTok, Amazon, right? And then you can put the keyword of your project, right? Whatever you think your people search for. They say 1 or 2 words is best, right? And then you can choose the country, choose the language, and hit search, right? So here you're going to find the searches, the terms people are searching for with those words in it. So this search, I put digital marketing, has 135,000 searches, right? And if I scroll down here, you'll be able to see, you can change the views, right? Different views. But if you scroll down, you can see here, there's literally questions that people are asking. The ones with the redder the better, right? So you can choose whichever one that you want to answer that question, create a video answering that question, right? So this video that I'm creating now is, can I start digital marketing with no experience? That's one of the questions that was asked. So the answer to that is yes, because I have access to this program, which the creator of the program started with no experience, and within the program there's hundreds, and with the 39,000 members, and hundreds of them also without experience, right? Every master was once a disaster. You have to, everybody with who you see, wherever they were, they started with no experience, right? We all start a YouTube channel, TikTok, Facebook, all that with 0 subscribers, 0 video, and we build it up, right? So the best time for you to have started this is yesterday, last week, last month, last year, but then the second best time is now, okay? So yeah, you can actually start to learn digital marketing with no experience, because once you learn the skills, that's it, you have them, you can't unlearn them, okay? So if you're interested in actually starting learning the digital marketing skills, we have a program here for you that I just talked about, right? That even though it's a one-time payment, you actually get access to weekly live interactive coaching and mentorship sessions from 6 and 7 figures who've actually used the program to earn 6 figures, right? So it's very, very powerful. You can unmute yourself, ask questions, get put in breakout rooms. So it's an interactive program, okay? And what else? What are you gonna, let me actually just share my screen here and show you what that looks like. So this is actually the bonus, but the program itself, we have different packages you can get in where you fit in, right? But you're gonna learn how to, let me just tell you what I'm learning, right? And then off the top of my head, but just to give you an idea, you're gonna learn how to brand yourself, right? You're gonna learn how to set up an automated marketing system that's working for you 24/7. You're gonna learn how to turn your social media profiles into storefronts, lead generation machines. You're going to learn how to use attraction marketing to get people to raise their hands, say, hey, I'm interested in what you have, right? So that you're not bothering your family and friends, not spending time in DMs. You're going to learn how to nurture your email list, how to market on social media the right way. You're going to learn how to identify your target audience, how to connect with your target audience, and how to find them, how they can find you, right? And you're going to learn the power of storytelling, and you're going to learn how to activate multiple income streams by just promoting by branding yourself, right? So very, very powerful. We have different packages so you can get in where you fit in, and you can always upgrade at a later stage as well, okay? So if you're interested in actually checking this out, it all starts with clicking the link below to claim to get access to an interactive guide that shows you how to get 10K in 8 days. Okay, this guide takes you by the hand, walks you through step by step. It's interactive, it's short and sweet. When I send you the guide via email, I'm going to give you access to a private members community of like-minded entrepreneurs, so you can get a feel of what it's like to be part of our community, because it can be very lonely trying to build your business offline on your own, right? So it's great if you can surround yourself with people who are going where you want to go, who are motivating you, inspiring you. So speaking of our community, this is literally a bonus that you get. Let me just quickly show you, okay? This here is a 90-day sprint. Every day we get a 6 to 12 minute video where our millionaire mentor is talking us through what to do on that day. From day 60 to day 90, we're on day 67 now. A video is going to show up here. We're focusing on growing our YouTube, right? So all going to be about mastering YouTube. Here are the members. I said 39,448 members. Our calendar here is where you get access to live interactive coaching and mentorship sessions. Last Tuesday, our millionaire coached us about how she went from 0 to $1 million in 17 months. And she talked about mindset, skill set, very, very powerful. And on the Thursday, Tim, who's one of the six-figure earners from the system, was actually coaching and mentoring us. And one of the CEOs from this company came in and did a bit of mentoring there. So every single week we are here with this live coaching and mentorship. We can unmute ourselves, get put in breakout rooms. Very, very powerful community of like-minded entrepreneurs. And then here is just some of the wins, just to finish off here, of people sharing the wins with us on a daily basis. Christy, 13 hours ago, 15,700 in her first 5 weeks, right? She did everything that she was told to do. Congratulations, Christy. Daryl's one of our mentors. He went from being fired after 15 years working as a welder to dabbling like I did. He found this, and now he's earning 6 figures. He's coaching and mentoring us as well. So he talks about how he woke up to $900. That was yesterday, right? Went to bed early, woke up to this $900 commission, and now he's headed to Disney World, right? It's going to be a great day. Scott, 17 hours ago, $1,000 day. Congratulations, Scott. $100 while shopping for groceries, right? So that paid for his groceries. And then $900 taking a well-deserved nap, right? From all that grocery shopping. And every single day, first sell, Martha, 6 hours ago. Guys, I'm so excited, and thanks the Lord. Maria, 2 days ago, $600 ding, such a blessing. Congratulations. Cindy, 18 hours ago, $900 ding, right? Lizelle smashed 10K in 12 days, right? First 12 days of September, already made $10,000 with my automated online business, right? Congratulations. So we have a proven step-by-step blueprint that hundreds and hundreds of people are using to learn the skills to make money online, to build a successful business. I want to give you access to it. Please receive my gift, respond to my email, join our community. We're here to help you make an informed decision, because what we have is absolute gold. Every single day, lives are being changed, right? It's up to you what you choose to do with it, okay? But everything that you're seeing me doing right now, my mind is just exploding as I'm applying what I'm learning. And once I say I can't unlearn this, right? At some point, if I choose to promote something else, the skills I've learned are there. I can take them with me, right? So thank you so much for watching this video to the very end. If you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you.